Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Keshri. In this session, we will learn about table tag. Table tag is a container tag. HTML table allows us to arrange data such as text, images, links, forms, and other tables. The data is arranged in the form of row and column in a table. Table can have an associate caption to provide a short description of the table. Heading of a table and table border, color, width of the table and its column as well as alignment and cell content can be defined as per requirement. We can create multiple tables inside a table. Now, see how can we create a table. HTML table is represented by a pair of opening table tag and closing table tag. A row is represented by tr tag where tr means table row. Ts tag is used to add heading of a column. Td tag is used to add data values in the column. While creating a table, the numbers of tr tag added inside table tag determine number of rows in the table. In the same way, each tr tag contains several td tag or ts tag to determine number of column in the table. Now, open your text editor. Right here, HTML, head, title, give a title. Now, close title tag, close head tag and open body tag. Now, write table tag to create a table and write tr inside table tag for table row. Write th for heading of column and write here roll number. Now close td tag, close ts tag, open ts tag, write here name, close ts tag, open ts tag, write marks. Now close ts tag, close tr tag. This is our first row. Now insert some value inside this table. Write tr for second row and write td for data inside table. Write here roll number 1, close td tag. Now write td and write here a name. Now close td tag, open td tag and write marks and close td tag, again close tr tag. This is our second row. Now for third row, write tr tag, write td for data, roll number 2, close td tag, open td tag and write name Saurav. Now close td tag, open td tag and write here marks 87. Now close td tag and close tr tag. Now close table tag, close body tag and close HTML tag. Here we have 3 row and 3 column. Now save it with table.html. Okay, now run this table.html. See here we have a table with 3 row and 3 columns. Okay, now see, we can specify a caption to a table. Table caption is a short description of a table that provides short explanation and helps us to understand table's purpose. For this, we use caption tag. It is a container tag. Now open your text editor and write caption inside table. Right here caption and write student detail. Now close this caption tag. Save it and refresh this web page. See, this is our caption for our table. Okay. Now, setting the border of a table. While creating a table, adding borders can improve the overall look of the page. By adding border, a table will look systematic. Borders can be added to a table with the help of border attribute of table tag. Now, open your text editor again and write an attribute border inside table. Right here, border equals to write 3. Now save it and refresh it. See, we have a border for this table. You can also adjust the thickness of the table. You can also adjust the thickness of border of the table by changing the value of border. Change it to 5. Save it and run it again. See, the thickness of this border has increased now. Okay. We can also set the color of border according to our choice. Right here, border color equals to, right here, red. Save it and refresh it. See, the color of border is red now. Okay, do it blue. Save it and refresh it. Now the color of border is blue. Okay. We will learn more about table tag in next session. Thank you.